Okay. This is a Brivis Buffalo 85. Need to make sure that the gas is switched off. Power off. So, power's off. Gas is off. So this is the unit here. We need to turn it anti-clockwise to open it up. There's just one thick copper wire which you can just bend softly. You need to be able to, it's embedded underneath, you need to pull this out. Here it is. This is the unit here. When you try and clean this, we'll basically get a new one for about $40. Looks like it's too old and it's had it, but to put it back we just reverse these steps.